Mais uma vez estou a sofrer.
Diz-me o que é que foi.
Tudo acabou, o meu amor se foi.
Tenha calma, isto passa.
É tão grande o vazio que sinto. Não me conformo ter-te perdido, amor. Agora não sei pra onde vou, Perdi o meu destino.
Quero saber aonde estás.
Telefona.
Já fiz de tudo pra te encontrar.
Até já fez anúncio nos jornais.
Quando a noite cai, meu controle se vai. Aumenta a vontade de querer te ver. My lady,
My baby, sofro demais.
É mais domingo que passo sem ti. É mais domingo que não vejo fim. É mais domingo
é mais
que passo sem
domingo.
ti.
Vem para mim, baby.
É mais domingo que não vejo fim.
O tempo vai passando e tu não vens. Tua ausência dói, minha consciência destrói.
Fico pensando em ti.
Fico sem dormir,
E
baby.
fico pensando em ti, baby.
Sorria sem
Volta para mim. Volta.
É tão grande a saudade que sinto. Não me conformo ter-te perdido, amor. Fui surpreendido por tão dura dor.
Quero saber aonde estás.
Telefona.
Já fiz de tudo pra te encontrar.
Até já fez anúncio nos jornais.
No, no, no. See, I don't know why I liked you so much. I gave you all of my trust. I told you I loved you. Now that's all down the drain. You put me through pain. I wanna let you know I feel. Fuck what I said, it don't mean shit now. Fuck the presents, might as well throw 'em out. Fuck all those kisses, they didn't mean jack. Fuck you, you go, I don't want you back. Fuck what I said, it don't mean shit now. Fuck the presents, might as well throw 'em out. Fuck all those kisses, they didn't mean jack. Fuck you, you go, I don't want you back.
Mas uma relação pra coleção. Mas outro coração que eu deixei na mão. Mas outra boca que eu beijei. Outro corpo que eu amei e simplesmente não valorizei. Por isso é que eu estou aqui à tua espera, baby. Já passei por várias, mas nenhuma, baby, me deixou assim, tão sem chama, baby. Eu confesso, tu me tiras as pipas, baby. Porque eu beijo outra boca e tu ficar com outra. Só pra esquecer de ti e apagar da minha mente. Mas por mais que tento, baby, tu não sais. Não sais, baby, eu não sais, por mais que eu vem cá, meu lobo mau, vem me devorar. Que eu vou ser teu capuchinho, o teu capuchinho, pois eu continuo a fazer sofrer corações alheios. Miúda, vem me prender, pois eu estou como um monstro à solta. Uau, teu miúda sempre à minha volta, mas eu não quero mais seguir assim. Miúda, vem meter um fim, teu amor é o meu blim blim. Fala, miúda, diz que eu estou aqui à tua espera. Não é porque às vezes e sempre já passei por várias miúdas. Então se chama, baby, eu confesso, tu não tiras as pipas, baby. Eu beijo outra boca e tu fica com outra. Só pra esquecer de si, só pra esquecer, apagar da minha mente. Mas por mais que tento, baby, tu não sais, não sais. Baby, tu não sais, baby, tu não. Baby, eu não sai, baby, tu não, baby, tu não. Por mais que eu enquanto não voltas pra mim, outras vão sofrer. Enquanto não voltas pra mim, outras vão sofrer. E a culpa é tua, só tua.
Can't believe it when I say that I will stay all of these days, yeah. Girl, I will try to find the one of my kind, the one of my kind. Girl, I will show the way that you put me down. Girl, I won't go, I will stay every day.
Wanna introduce you to this girl, think I really love this girl. Yeah, man, she's so fine, straight up dog. She stand about 5'4", Coca-Cola red bone. Damn. She drive a black Durango, license plate say Angel. Tattoo on her ankle, but she's making pesos. Got a crib on Peachtree, right on 17th Street, and I call her TT.
Wait a minute, hold on, dog. Do she got a kid?
Yep.
She plus some Waffle House.
Yep.
Do she got a beauty mark on the left side of her mouth?
Man.
Went to Georgia Tech.
Yep.
Works for TBS.
Yep.
And I can't believe this chick. Damn.
Tell me what's wrong, dog. What the hell you damning about? I'm your homie, so just say what's on your mind.
Man, I didn't know that you were talking about her.
So man, you telling me you know her?
Do I know her like a path to know his word? We messing with the same girl, same girl.
How could the love of my life and my potential wife be the same girl, same girl,
same girl? Man, I can't believe that we've been messing with her. Same girl, same girl.
Thought she was someone I could trust, but she's been doubling up with us. You, okay, man, we've been messing with the same girl.
See, I met her at this party in Atlanta.
Well, I met her at this party in Chicago.
She came right up to me, giving me conversation. I said, do you got a man? She said, no, with no hesitation.
Well, it must be a music thing, 'cause she said the same to me. At a party all in my face, while I'm laughing and buying a drink.
She whispered in my ear, said, can you take me home?
Me too. Man, she was in the shot singing that same song.
Is that true?
And I thought it was true confessions when she said,
I love you. Man, I thought her body was calling when she said,
I want you.
Look, I even got some pictures on my phone.
Look at there she is with some boy shorts on.
We're messing with the same girl, same girl, same girl.
She's the apple of my eye, yeah, and my potential wife, yeah.
Same girl, same girl. Man, I just can't believe that we've been messing around with the same damn girl. Oh yeah, thought she was someone I could trust,
but she's been doubling up with both of us. Hey, man, we've been messing with the same girl.
Since she got me on the ring.
Are you talking about the
Story of my life, Searching for the right, but it keeps avoiding me. Sorrow in my soul, cause it seems that wrong really loves my company. He's more than a man, and this is more than love. The reason that the sky is blue. The clouds are rolling in, because I'm gone again. And to him I just can't be true. And I know that he knows I'm unfaithful, and it kills him inside to know that I am happy with some other guy. I can see him dying. I don't wanna do this anymore. I don't wanna be the reason why. Every time I walk out the door, I see him die a little more inside. I don't wanna hurt him anymore. I don't wanna take away his life. I don't wanna be a murderer.
Na face que nenhuma criança, sementes e mentes deitadas na esperança, seguram numa mão as chaves do teu sorriso. Será o juízo final ou o final do juízo, chegados ao ponto de exaustão, em que o bem-estar de poucos não é mais que a perdição da maioria. Paradoxo sem sentido, estou perdido para sobreviver. Um chafurdão no próprio lixo promíscuo, ódio transmitido geração a geração, legados sem razão, cenas tão podres que não deviam existir, armas disparadas e prontas a repetir. Olhos de crianças desesperadas de algum afeto, algum amor. Quem será causador de tamanha dor? Olhar de quem não tem nada a perder. Gente que imagina que viver é não ter medo de morrer. De vez em quando perguntam se a pena de morte deveria existir. Deixa-me rir, o fim do mundo está a chegar, não há como fugir. Humanidade, estás a sentir? Se lágrimas fossem amor, ninguém ia sofrer. E eu quero saber se estás a sentir. O fim do mundo está a vir. Basta olhar e ver, a emoção está a morrer. Tipo, já nem quer saber o que se passa.
All that bullshit's for the birds. You ain't nothing but a vulture. Always hoping for the worst, waiting for me to fuck up. You'll regret the day when I find another girl, yeah. They know just what I need, she know just what I mean. When I tell her keep it drama free. Whoa,
Chunking up the
yeah. Told you that I'm leaving. Whoa. I know you're mad, but so what? I wish you best of luck. Now I'm finna throw them juices up. I'm on some new shit, I'm chucking my deuces up to her. I'm moving on to something better, better, better. No more trying to make it work. You make me wanna say bye-bye, say bye-bye, say bye-bye to her. You make me wanna say bye-bye, say bye-bye, say bye-bye to her.
You could buy me diamonds, you could buy me pearls, take me on a cruise around the world. Baby, you know I'm worth it. Dinner lit by candles, run my bubble bath, make love tenderly to last and last. Baby, you know I'm worth it. Wanna please, wanna keep, wanna treat your woman right. Not just dough, but a show that you know she is worth your time. You will lose if you choose to refuse to put her first. She will and she can't find a man who knows her worth. Cause a real man knows a real woman when he sees her. And a real woman knows a real man ain't afraid to please her. And a real woman knows a real man
standing here looking in the mirror, saying damn to myself. I should have known the day would come that she would find somebody else. And all the things I took her through, that I shouldn't have lasted this long. Now I'm at this telephone booth, calling Tyrone. Cause when a woman's fed up, no matter how you beg, no, it ain't nothing you can do about it. It's like running out of love. No matter what you say, no. And then it's too late to talk about it. Now let's talk about how it all goes down. I used to make love to you daily, when the night felt the same. And any time that you were hurt, I could feel your pain. And if I had $1, it was yours, yeah. And whenever we would go out, I would front the bill. But now the up is down and the silence is sound. I hurt you too many times. Now I can't come around. Cause when a woman's fed up, it ain't nothing you can do about it. Oh no, it's just like running out of love. Running out of love. And then it's too late to talk about it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La. Oh yeah.
Como é que um homem é capaz de te fazer sofrer, te humilhar como se fosses um trapo qualquer? Como é que um homem é capaz de sentir prazer quando tortura os sentimentos de uma mulher? Será que você não percebe que ele não te ama, que só te faz de guarda-lama, escrava da cama? Será que você não percebe que ele só te engana, que anda com mais de 1000 fulanas para além da Ana? Vivo tão triste por saber que ele só te usa. Quando ele vem e pede aquilo, você não recusa. Ele te abusa, mas você não se apercebe que só aparece quando quer saciar a sede.
Amar sem ser amado é tão ruim. É uma dor cruel que não tem fim. Eu vou gritar pra todo mundo ouvir. Eu faço mais do que ele faz por ti.
Where you got it, I'm the hottest around. They'll know it when they see you rolling them polars around it.
I got a soldier.
With the top down, feeling the sounds quaking and vibrating your thighs. Riding harder than guys with the chrome wheels at the bottom, white leather inside. When them lanes be spitting at you, tell them don't even try to shoot at Michelle and kick it with Kelly or holler at B. You gotta be G's, you way out of your league.
We like them boys that be in them legs leaning, leaning. Open their mouth, they grill gleaming. Candy paint, keep that whip cleaning. They always be talking that country slang. We like that beat in the back beating. I be so low from that chiefin'. I love how he keep my body screaming. A rude boy that's good to me with street credibility. If his status ain't hood, I ain't checking for him. Better be street if you're looking at me. I need a soldier that ain't scared to stand up for me. Known to carry big things if you know what I mean. If his status ain't hood, I ain't checking for him. Better be street if you're looking at me. I need a soldier that ain't scared to stand up for me. Gotta know to get dough and he better be
Eu sempre tenho sonhos com alguém que eu nem sequer sei se ela existe ou não. E nem sei de onde é que isto nasceu. Será que é mais uma imaginação? Sempre que eu vou pra cama dormir, a imagem dela está sempre a invadir. Invado meu sono e não consigo fugir. Fico sem ninguém pra me acudir. Eu sei que nada posso fazer, mas não resisto a esta mulher. Meu Deus, me faça só entender o que é que está a acontecer. Eu sei que nada posso fazer, mas não resisto a esta mulher. Meu Deus, me faça só entender o que é que está a acontecer. Ei, mulher, o que é que você tem? Eu acendo a luz e não vejo ninguém. Eu enxergo imagens no além. Até me pergunto se bato bem. Ei, mulher, o que é que você tem? Eu acendo a luz e não vejo ninguém. Eu enxergo imagens no além. Até me pergunto se bato bem. Apareça, 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 toma conta de mim. Apareça, 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 toma conta de mim. Meu Senhor, meu Salvador, a Ti eu peço, vem me salvar.
Aqui me tens, ó meu Criador. Em nome dos homens eu vos venho dar o meu louvor. Neste mundo tão cruel que vivemos nós, onde o pecado pouco a pouco toma conta de nós. Selvaticamente massacraram os índios e judeus, escravizaram os africanos, tudo em nome de Deus. Usaram falsas profecias para dominar. O que na Bíblia estava escrito acabaram por mudar. Eu sei que a vida um dia vai mudar. O duro momento que andamos na dor um dia irá acabar. E quando o dia de chegar, muitos vão pagar pelas maldades e ofensas que fizeram cá.
Oh meu Senhor, meu Salvador, a Ti eu peço, vem me salvar. Oh meu Senhor, meu Salvador, a Ti eu peço, vem me salvar.
Peço perdão por todos os erros que eu cometi, verdades que omiti e não me arrependi. Peço perdão por aqueles que ofendem-me, que na maldade ou na inocência ferem, jogam-me. Proteja-me, tira o pecado de mim e não permitas que eu faça o que fez Caim. Eis-me aqui, lamentando a minha dor, porque apesar dos meus pecados és o meu Senhor.
Oh meu Senhor, meu Salvador,
Yange henju lombili Nipopele con hali ya chokai kivali Eteglete ke va fomano mulo volwali Kaliye amenduku kula suku toke pi Cha, kukusi vaya holo neke vyosi Nengolu teke lutanya lo meleko kumbyo kongolosi Kilu oposi ove umosi ove wapanga chosi Kaliye amenduku si vaya lolo holo posi Cha, isoko lola pa kwetu vafa Akandu vyavo kava kwede la chiwe chokulya Panyetu linga suku yange tukalechiwa Dikwata kutimba mukonda chivala chosi tupita Cha
Oh meu Senhor, meu Salvador,
every hood, every block, get on America. Rolling through the hood, just stop out and say what's up, and let you know your baby boy ain't doing so tough. And even though you've passed going on 4 long years, I'm still waking up late at night crying tears. Just thinking about those days you used to talk to me, smiling while I'm sipping on this Hennessy. And remember we brag on how rich we would be. To get up out this hood was like a fantasy. Now you hear my songs, the radio is playing. Oh, I can't believe my ears and what everybody's saying. Boy, I tell you, folks don't know the half. I would give it all up just to take one ride with you. How I used to kick it on the front porch with you. How I used to lay back and smoke weed with you. And all the little basement party joints we do. Now I'm just missing you. How I wish that I could hold you now. Oh, I wish that I could touch you now. Oh, I wish that since this money come, it's been nothing but stress. Sometimes I wish that I could just trade in my success. Y'all look at me and say, boy, you've been blessed, but y'all don't see the inside of my unhappiness. Man, I swear it gets heavy like a ton. That's why you hear me shooting this real off like a gun. I wonder how my friends would treat me now if I wasn't iced up with a Bentley and a house. That's why fakers get fake digits and fake players get a real player hating them. Honey, love goes platinum and y'all come around, but y'all don't wanna raise the roof until my titties going down. My songs, the radio is playing. Oh, I can't believe my ears and what everybody's saying. Boy, I tell you, folks don't know the half. I would give it all up just to take one ride with you. How I used to hoop off in them tournaments with you. How I used to club hop on weekends with you. The family called the morning of the tragic end. Damn, my condolences. I wish that I could hold you now. I wish that I could touch you now. I wish that I could talk to you, be with you somehow. Oh, I know you're in a better place. Even though I can't see your face, I know you're smiling down on me, saying everything's okay. I'll see you again someday.
I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me in the special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby, that's what you told me, and I believe it. I ain't never had nobody do me like you.
Now I done been with different kind of girls, feel like I done seen them all, but ain't none of them at all
like you.
And I done seen the best of the best, baby, still I ain't impressed, cause ain't none of them at all
like you.
And you know how I feel when I chill. If I'm seen with a girl, then she gotta be just
like you.
And baby, that's the way I feel, and I got no choice but for me to keep it real. Cause when we first got together, started hanging out, you was skeptical at first, had to figure out if I was the kind of guy that try to dog you out. But I ain't that kind of guy you try to make me out. You found out when you turned to my baby. I showed them other brothers how to treat a lady. I let you drive when I ride that Mercedes, and I ain't tripping or acting shady, cause baby, you know I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me in a special way I feel when you're home. We gon' always be together, baby, that's what you told me, and I believe it, cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you.
And every time I think about you, when you ride, when you call, when you come up, your love is amazing to me. I can't wait till I see you. I wanna be with you again. And every time you're out on the road, I'll make a trip. And whenever I'm doing a show, don't you forget that I'm your main chick, who got that game chick, one and the same chick, the one you can hang with.
I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me in a special way I feel when you're home. We gon' always be together, baby, that's what you told me, and I believe it, cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you.
If tomorrow's Judgment Day,
Sing, mommy.
and I'm standing on the front line, and the Lord asks me what I did with my life, I will say I spent it with you. It's alright. If I wake up in World War III, I see destruction and poverty, and I feel like I wanna go home. It's okay if you're coming with me. It's alright. It's alright.
Skyline of the city, loud quiet nights in the midst of crime. Next door to happiness lives sorrow, and signals of solution in the sky. A city of justice, city of love, a city of peace for every one of us. We all need it, can't live without it. A Gotham City, oh yeah. Sleeping awake because of fear, oh yeah. Children are drowning in their tears. We need a place where we can go, a land where everyone will have a hero. A city of justice, yeah. A city of love, a city of peace for every one of us. 'Cause we all need it, yeah. Can't live without it. A Gotham City, yeah, yeah. A city of justice, yeah. A city of love, a city of peace for every one of us. 'Cause we all need it, yeah. Can't live without it. A Gotham City, dead in the middle of stormy weather, we won't stumble and we won't fall. I know a place that offers shelter, city of justice, oh yeah. City of love, a city of love, a city of peace, oh, oh. Every one of us, 'cause we all need, oh yeah. Can't live without it, can't live without it. Gotham City, oh yeah. We need a city of justice, oh yeah. A city of love, a city of love, a city of peace for every one of us. Simply because we all need it, can't live without it. A Gotham City, come on, tell me, can you city of justice, oh yeah. City of love, a city of love, a city of peace, a city of peace, every one of us, every one of us. 'Cause we all need it, can't live without it. We need a Gotham City, a Gotham City. Everybody needs a Gotham City. Don't you wanna go? Come on, come on, Gotham City. Everybody needs a Gotham City. Don't you wanna go? Gypsy.
Eu queria morar numa favela. Eu queria morar numa favela. O meu sonho é morar numa favela. Eu me chamo de cheiroso como alguém me chamou, mas pode me chamar do que quiser, seu doutor. Eu não tenho nome, eu não tenho identidade, eu não tenho nem certeza se eu sou gente de verdade. Eu não tenho nada, mas gostaria de ter. Aproveita, seu doutor, e dá um trocado pra eu comer.
Que trocado o quê? Não tem vergonha dessa cara suja, não? Vai trabalhar, ô vagabundo.
Eu gostaria de ter um pingo de orgulho, mas isso é impossível pra quem come o entulho misturado com os ratos e com as baratas e com o papel higiênico usado nas latas de lixo. Eu vivo como um bicho, ou pior que isso, eu sou o resto do mundo. Eu sou mendigo, um indigente, um indigesto, um vagabundo. Eu não sou ninguém. Eu tô com fome, tenho que me alimentar. Eu posso não ter nome, mas o estômago tá lá. Por isso eu tenho que ser cara de pau. Ou eu peço dinheiro, eu fico aqui passando mal. Tenho que me rebaixar a esse ponto, porque a necessidade é maior do que a moral. Eu sou sujo, eu sou feio, eu sou antissocial. Eu não posso aparecer na foto do cartão postal, porque pro rico e pro turista eu sou poluição. Sei que sou um brasileiro, mas eu não sou cidadão. Eu não tenho dignidade ou um teto pra morar, e meu banheiro é a rua e sem papel pra me limpar. Honra, não tenho, eu já nasci sem ela, e o meu sonho é morar numa favela. Eu queria morar numa favela. Eu queria morar numa favela. Eu queria morar numa favela. O meu sonho é morar numa favela.
Pra quem não sabia e pretende saber, ser negro não é ser bom no futebol, nem saber correr. Não é cantar num coro e gostar de qualquer mulher. Não é ser preguiçoso e só querer beber. São séculos de luta contra a mentalização, lavagens cerebrais e constante exploração. É nascer em África e África não conhecer. É desde novo ouvir que africanos estão a morrer. É crescer mal vestido e mal alimentado. É ouvir histórias do passado e sentir-se revoltado. É o seu melhor amigo ser branco e os pais não concordarem. É ver os seus pais chorar por não aguentarem. A frustração de não conseguir um emprego melhor. A ilusão de ver seu filho formar-se e ser doutor. É não ter para a comida, quanto mais para as propinas. É fazer grandes festas de Natal com prendas pequeninas. Para quem não sabia e pretende perceber, deixem fazê-los entender que ser negro é ser assim. É esforçar-se o dobro para ter a mesma oportunidade. É ver a vida da rua como uma necessidade. É não ter dinheiro para ir para a faculdade. É ser ensinado que não se tem capacidade. Ser negro é ser esperto, mas não ser inteligente. É levar de todos os lados, mas mesmo assim seguir em frente. É trocar o seu orgulho pela sobrevivência, para não ter o destino dos índios à beira da inexistência. É ter trabalho nas obras, McDonald's e pouco mais. No fundo é sermos homens, mas tratados como animais. É ser o bode expiatório de todas as frustrações. É ser o mal da fita em todas as televisões. É ser o contrário de puro, de bom ou de imaculado. É sermos livres sem nunca ser alforriados. É ter a casa de madeira em vez de ser de palha. É chegar à conclusão que o gueto é só mais uma senzala. Ser negro é ser o bandido, o coitado, o esfomeado. É ser importado, explorado, depois extraditado. É fugir da sua pátria porque esta está em guerra. É todos os dias ouvir, preto vai para a tua terra.
É bem nice estar contigo e contigo falar. És uma amiga sem limites e bem sabes conversar. Yo, às vezes penso que nasceste para ser santa, porque a tua sabedoria, minha amiga, é tanta. Tu sabes opinar, também sabes te calar. Sabes o momento certo para um conflito evitar. És honesta, com personalidade tão incrível. É claro que às vezes tu também és terrível. Falas de tudo um pouco e te situas muito bem. Tua visão é demais, alcança sempre o além. Quando estás triste encostas e choras sem parar, mas num instante uma piada tu vais lançar. Tens um defeito de ser muito conselheira. Queres sempre ajudar os outros e não dás bandeira. Mulheres como tu hoje em dia são contadas. Até parece que viestes de um conto de fadas. Yo, tu és mulher tão forte, mulher tão pura. Estar contigo é tu és tão boa, segura e honesta. Estar contigo é yo, por mais que tu estejas infectada, estar contigo é yo, tu espalhas felicidade para todo mundo. Estar contigo é sei muito de.
Por vezes quando nós discutimos e na raiva eu te digo coisas que até magoam. Sim, eu digo tantas coisas feias. Alguns nomes nos chamamos, mas depois eu me arrependo. Sim, não diga não. O que na raiva eu te digo, pois é ela falar por mim. Não liga não, pois na verdade o que eu sinto é que tu pra mim és a única mulher que me completa. Fica sempre um segundo inquieta. Tu pra mim és a única mulher que me satisfaz, e com apenas um abraço me desmonta. Por vezes já magoada dizes que vais embora, e eu no meu orgulho digo vai. Demonstro não me
less room for you.
Now only God can hold me.
Hug me, love me, judge me. The only man that hovers above me. How?
I met so many men, and it's like they're all the same. My appetite for loving is now my hunger pain. And when I'm feeling sexy, who's gonna comfort me? My only problem is their insecurity.
Tired of being alone.
Yeah, yeah.
Sick of arguing on the phone.
Yeah, yeah.
While you telling all your friends.
Yeah, yeah.
But you nigga don't understand my love.
'Cause I'm real.
The way you walk, the way you move, the way you talk.
I'm real.
The way you stare, the way you look, you style your hair. The way you smile, the way you smell, it drives me wild. And I can't go on without you.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, lady.
Life is one big party when you're still young, but who's gonna have your back when it's all done? It's all good when you live for your pure fun. Can't be a fool, son, what about the long run? Looking back, shorty, always a mention. Say me not giving her much attention. She was there through my incarceration. I wanna show the nation my appreciation.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, lady.
Never change, same old thing, same old game. Say you want to be with me, show me my ring, baby, let me think. I've been in the cold, story untold, I'm about to unfold. How do you expect me to ever believe you won't be with me? You are in my grave.
You are.
Yeah.
Can you pay my bills? Can you pay my bills?
Let me know if you will.
Let me know.
'Cause the chick got
me, I got to live.
Talk is talk, talk is cheap. Tell it to her, don't say it to me. 'Cause I know I'm in control. See, tricks are for kids, and boo, I'm too old. Go ahead with your game. Don't ever come back to me again. Where you go, remember me. I'm the best thing in history. You all in my grave.
Why?
Can you pay my bills?
Can you pay my bills?
Let me know if you will.
Let me know, boy.
'Cause the chick gotta live.
She got to live, yeah.
Third time, moved you in, took you back in my life.
I was a fool.
I don't know what's wrong with me. Third time, moved you in, took you back in my life.
Set the hugs all over the world tonight. I need you, boo. I gotta see you, boo. Set the hugs all over the world tonight. Set the hugs all over the world tonight. Hey, little mama, ooh, you're a stunner. Hot little figure, yes, you a winner. And I'm so glad to be yours. You're a class, all you're running. Ooh, little cutie, when you talk to me, I swear the whole world stops. You're my sweetheart, and I'm so glad that you're mine. You are one of a kind, and you mean to me what I mean to you. And together, baby, there is nothing we won't do. 'Cause if I got you, I don't need money, I don't need cars. Girl, you're my own. And oh, I'm into you, and girl, no one else would do. 'Cause with every kiss and every hug, you make me
caress your frame, get them worries off your brain, girl. I'm in your corner, do what you want, it's your thing, girl. Opposites attract, but we one in the same, girl. It ain't a game, so I can't play with you. I wanna lay with you, stay with you, pray with you, grow old and great with you. In good and bad times, we'll always make it through. Cause what we got is true, no matter what they say to you. I can straight lace you, not just appearance. Stimulate your mind, strengthen your spirit. Be the voice of reason when you ain't trying to hear it. You want it, but you fear it, but you love it when you near it. Sit up on the sofa, get a little closer. Touch you right, do it like a man supposed to. Knew you was the one, that's why I chose ya. Cause you get down for yours and ride like a soldier.
Understand you like I do. Understand you like never make love to you like I do. So give it to me. Give it to me, baby. 'Cause I can show you about it. I can show you about it. And I can promise anything that I do is just to satisfy you.
I want you to know that I love you. And no matter how tough I would appear, only to you I would reveal my tears. See, tell the police I ain't home tonight. Messing around with you is gonna give me life.
Street sweep,
but when I look into your eyes, man, you're worth that sacrifice. If this is the kind of love that my mom used to warn me about, man, I'm in trouble. I'm in real big trouble. If this is the kind of love that the old folks used to warn me about, man, I'm in trouble. I'm in real big trouble. I need y'all to do me a favor. Someone please call 911. Tell them I just been shot down, and the bullets in my heart, and it's piercing through my soul.
Don't forget where you heard it first.
Feel my body getting cold. Someone please call 911. The legend is selling his 5'1", and she shot me through my soul. Feel my body getting cold.
So cold. Hey yo, I don't even know you and I hate you. See, all I know is that my girlfriend used to date you. How would you feel if she held you down and raped you? Tried and tried, but she never could escape you. She was in love, and I'd ask her how. I mean, why? What kind of love from a nigga would black your eye? What kind of love from a nigga every night make you cry? What kind of love from a nigga make you wish he would die? I mean, shit, he bought you things and gave you diamond rings, but them things wasn't worth none of the pain that he brings, and you stayed. What made you fall for him? That nigga had the power to make you crawl for him. I thought you was a doctor, be on call for him. Smacked you down cause he said you was too tall for him, huh? That wasn't love, baby girl, you was dreaming. I could've killed you when you said your seed was growing from his seed.
Love is blind, and it'll take over your mind. What you think is love is truly not. You need to elevate and find. Love is blind, and it'll take over your mind. What you think is love is truly not. You need to elevate and find.
I don't even know you and I kill you myself. You played with her like a doll and put her back on the shelf. Wouldn't let her go to school and better herself. She had a baby by your ass and you ain't giving no help, Big time hustler, snake motherfucker. One's born every day and every day she was your sucker. How could you beat the mother of your kids? How could you tell her that you love her? Don't give a fuck if she lived. She told me she would leave you, I admit it, she did. But came back, made up a lie about you missing your kids. Sweet kisses, baby ain't even know she was your mistress. Had to deal with fist fights and phone calls from your bitches. Lost like you possessed her, telling me to mind my business. That it was her life and stay the fuck out of it. I tried and said just for him I keep a ready clip.
Love is blind, and it'll take over your mind. What you think is love is truly not. You need to elevate and find. Love is blind, and it'll take over your mind. What you think is love is truly not. You need to elevate and find.
Baby girl, tu sabes que eu sou um homem de coração fraco. Não consigo passar um dia sem ter teu contato. Crazy love, mais um alvo do cupido. Baby girl, dia e noite eu só penso em ficar contigo. Não maltrates essa alma apaixonada. Minha boca precisa de ser beijada. Tu deixaste minha mente baralhada. Tua beleza culpada de eu entrar nessa encruzilhada. Senti, meu coração sofre. Joia mais preciosa que eu tenho no cofre. Baby, por favor, não deixes que ninguém estrove. Pois paradas-me o cadáver, mas feitiço-me o love. Um preto como eu raramente se apaixona. Mas agora eu dei conta que tu me alteras as hormonas. Acabaste com a carreira de todas as damas da zona. Baby girl, nosso amor tem
a nossa relação tem mel, tem mel, tem mel. Eu te amo, tu me amas também. Por isso a nossa relação sabe bem. Eu e tu e eu somos um, estamos no coração.
Yo, this one here goes out to all my players out there, man. You know, that got that one good girl, dog, that's always been there, man. Like, took all the bullshit, but then one day she can't take it no more and decided to leave. Yeah, I woke up in the middle of the night and I noticed my girl wasn't by my side. Could've sworn I was dreaming, for her I was fiending, so I had to take a little ride. Backtracking on these few years, trying to figure out what I do to make it go bad. Cause ever since my girl left me, my whole life came crashing and I'm so lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody to call my own girl. So lonely, Mr. Lonely. I have nobody to call my own girl. Can't believe
I just want you close, where you can stay forever. You can be sure that it will only get better. You and me together through the days and nights. I don't worry 'cause everything's gonna be alright. People keep talking, they can say what they like, but all I know is everything's gonna be alright. And no one can get in the way of what I'm feeling. No one can get in the way of what I feel for you. Get in the way of what I feel for you. When the rain is pouring down and my heart is hurting, you will always be around. This I know for certain. You and me together through the days and nights. I don't worry 'cause everything's gonna be alright. People keep talking, they can say what they like, but all I know is everything's gonna be alright. No one can get in the way of what I'm feeling. No one can get in the way of what I feel for you.
B-boy, I've been looking for you since a quarter past. Hot peas and butter, baby, come and get your supper before I make you suffer. That's when you had enough of. Can I get hot when you hit the jackpot? Surely I can if you the man. I get loose and produce large amounts of juice. Can you get used to that, or do you need a boost of energy to enter me and get it on? You're getting warm, I can feel you getting closer. Now, baby, down this mimosa. You better believe it's time to give a toast to the woman of the decade. Too bad to be played. Get vexed and I'm bound to throw shade all loving the light. Life ain't all that unless you're doing it right. Come on.
Keep on, keep on. Cause you came and you changed my world. Your love so endless. Keep on, keep keeping on.
I don't want it, I don't need it, girl.
Tu atraíste o meu olhar à primeira vista. És o tipo de dama que eu só vejo em revista. O teu andar, o teu olhar, o teu sorriso, qualquer homem conquista. E eu não sou exceção. Cada vez que te vejo penso e digo we can run this town. Tratas-me melhor que uma enfermeira. És a dama que deve ser a minha primeira. Nessa guerra do amor podes ser minha trincheira. Eu e tu no carro acenando high haters. Mas espera, é que em parte sinceramente acho que amar-te é como desenhar uma peça de arte. Tem sentimentos profundos e não quero magoar-te. Prefiro interromper isso antes que seja tarde. Meu coração tá sem fundação e não tá preparado para construir tipo a Teixeira do ar.
You say you wanna be my girl, that you gon' treat me good, but you gon' break my heart. But I won't allow you that. I don't want it, I don't need it, girl.
Nós os dois juntos é mais complicado. Bem recentemente tive o coração magoado. Amo amor, mas não sei se o amor me ama. E fica difícil dar-te meu coração, dama. Não conheço nenhum mecânico que arranje isso. Como é que fico se de repente dás o sumiço? Entro em paranoia, fico à toa. É impossível me sentir um rei sem coroa. O pior cego é aquele que não quer ver. Tenho medo de confiar noutra mulher. O amor não é um jogo em que se quer perder, porque quem perde nesse jogo acaba sempre por sofrer. Não façamos desta relação um rascunho, porque depois não tenho tempo para passar a limpo. Já te dei provas de amor e o meu testemunho. Se for para sofrer assim, não quero estar contigo.
You say you wanna be my girl, that you gon' treat me good, but you gon' break my heart. But I won't allow you that. I don't want it, I don't need it, girl.
Check it. No princípio é sempre assim. Vocês começam sempre porque eu só quero ser a girl que vai te dar amor, carinho e atenção. Mas esquecem disso tudo na hora da discussão. Sempre que eu dou um passo à frente, o amor me prega sempre mais das suas com um cenário diferente. E esse amor tem estalo, parte o meu coração quando quer e eu tenho que colá-lo. Não é porque eu sou um balo, mas entre a minha felicidade e o condomínio do Sr. Ndalo, eu mandava o condomínio pro espaço e de uma vez por todas com amor formava um laço. Isso é um sonho e eu sei, se te dar a chance acabarei sozinho com Mangala DJ C. No bar a chorar por mais um amor perdido. Baby, eu já não tenho cola pra coração partido. Off lane girl.